Hello, my dear students. Yes, we are back to the virtual classes again, and in today's video, we are going to study about preposition. Okay, it's a very interesting topic of grammar and quite easy too. You all know that preposition is the sixth part of speech out of the eight parts of speech, right? So the first five are noun, pronoun, verb, adverbs and adjectives that we have already studied in the classes, in the previous classes. So today we are going to study about preposition. The basic question that arises in my mind whenever I start teaching about this preposition is that what is exactly preposition is. Okay, so I have written over here the definition, and which it says that preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Now here, link means what? Link means it's a relationship. Okay, it is showing a relation between what? Noun or pronoun with other words. Now here, what could be the other words in a sentence? Okay, so to make it complete and to show the relationship with between noun or pronoun with the other words could be verbs, it could be adjectives, or it could be even adverbs. Okay, so basically preposition is what? It is a word which links, which shows the relation between what? A noun or a pronoun with the other words, and here other words could be verbs, adjectives or adverbs to make a complete sentence. Okay, so let us understand with a very simple example. Okay, I'll write over here. The cat is sitting under the table. Okay. Now I'm saying that the cat is sitting under the table. Okay. Where the cat is sitting, it is under. Okay. So this under is a preposition here. It is showing the relation between whom? The table and the cat sitting. Okay. It is showing the relation between whom? The table, which is a noun, okay, and the cat which is sitting, the sitting cat. Okay, so under is what? It is a preposition. Suppose I remove this word under. Now the sentence says the cat is sitting the table. Firstly and foremostly, it will change the whole meaning of the sentence, right? Secondly, it is not showing any link between the noun and the table and the cat which is sitting, right? So it doesn't show any it won't show any link or any relation. So prepositions play a very important role in showing the relation between noun or a pronoun with the other words. Okay, now you got my point. So this is what basically is here, the words which show a link between noun or pronoun are with the other words are called as what? Preposition. Now there are certain types of prepositions also. Let us study them also. Let us have a look at the types of prepositions also, and let them study them. You will be able to understand prepositions in a more better way. Let us start with them. So now we are going to study about the types of preposition. Okay, now prepositions have been divided into three basic parts. The first one is when. When the event or anything has happened. When the event or you could say anything happened. Where describes about where the place or event occurred. Okay, so where the event occurred. You could say over here thing also. Okay, where the thing or event occurred. The third type says in which direction. Okay, in which direction means it is asking about what. In which direction means it is asking you about the event when it is, where it is happening. Okay, in which direction it is happening. So the event, or you could say thing, is happening. Okay, so these are the two types. Okay, these are the three types here. When the event or anything happens, this is the first type of preposition. Where means where the event occurred, and third one is in which direction, where we say when the event or the thing is happening. Okay, so here we are going to discuss them one by one. Okay, so let us start with the first one, which is when. So the preposition that describes when an event has happened are defined as what? Preposition of time. When symbolizes about what? Time. Okay, so we are talking about preposition, so it will define what? Preposition of time. So basic examples are like in, on, at, before, after. These are the words that are related with what? Preposition of time. ऐसा preposition जो क्या describe करता है कि एक event कब हुआ, okay, कौन से समय पर हुआ, when हम पूछते हैं। इसको चलिए एक better way में हम समझते हैं with an example over here. My birthday falls in January. My birthday falls in January. Here in is the preposition. It is the connecting link between what? January and the birthday. My question is when my birthday falls, right? So your answer is in January. When my birthday falls? In January. Next example we will take. My vacation ends on Monday. My vacation ends on Monday. Here on. On is what? It is your preposition. When my vacation ends on Monday, I get an answer of a question, right? When I say when my vacation ends, the answer is on Monday. So here on is what? It's a preposition. It's a connecting link between Monday and the vacation. Right? So this is how we can tell that yes, this is a preposition of time when this type of preposition occurred. Okay. The third example we will take is it gets cold at night. When it gets cold? At night. The answer is what? At night. When it gets cold? At night. So in the three examples, the word when is describing about the event when it has happened. Okay, when the things have been happening over there, है ना? In January, on Monday, at night. Okay, so this is how preposition of time works. Okay, this is how we can understand from this basic example. Let us study about the second one, where. Okay, now where resembles what? Let us see. Now the second one is what? The preposition where the word where is used. Okay, so the preposition that describes where anything is in contact with other. Okay, where anything is in context to other. This line is really important. It is describing where anything or the event is in context to other. It is defined as what? Preposition of place. Whenever we use the word where, it resembles what? It describes us about the place. Okay, so words like under, above, in, on, at, this describes what? Preposition of place. Now you might be thinking that in, on and at, these three we have already used for the preposition of time as well, right? So here also same. So please note that beta, these three or these words, okay, they are here used with different meaning. There when we use preposition of time, the meaning was different. be of same type, but the meaning is totally different. Okay, let us understand this preposition with a simple example over here. The books are on the table. Where are the books? My question is, where are the books? On the table. Okay, so here on is telling us about the place. It is showing relation between what? The table and the books. Okay, are you getting my point? Here on is what? It is showing the preposition of place. My question is, where are the books? It is on the table. They are kept on the table. Okay, so on is what? It's a preposition of what? Place. It is describing the type of place. The next question the next example we will take. The plane is just below the cloud. Now, where is the plane with respect to the cloud? When I am talking about in context to the other word, that is what the other word is, the cloud. So I am talking about where is the plane with respect to the cloud. It is just below. Okay, it is just below the cloud. Okay, so below is showing the what? Preposition of place. It is a preposition, but it is showing what? Where the event in context with the other is happening, right? Where that event is getting occurred. Okay, where the event occurred actually. So this is showing the preposition of place. Understood? Okay, now the next one, this is the third one and this is the last type of preposition. See, the preposition that describes in the direction. What we said? In the direction. Where to go or where to put something is known as what? Preposition of direction. Where to go or where to put something. एक ऐसा preposition जो describe करता है कि हम किस जगह जा रहे हैं या वो जो पर्टिकुलर इवेंट है या वो जो पर्टिकुलर थिंग है वो किस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है या किस डायरेक्शन में रखी हुई है, किस जगह पर रखी हुई है. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज अबाउट द प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ डायरेक्शन. वर्ड्स लाइक इनटू, टू, of, from describes what? Tells us about more. Tells us more about what? Preposition of direction. Let us understand them with another simple example. We went to London last week. In which direction we went to last week? To London. Okay. In which direction we went last week? To London. To is what? Telling us that it is showing us that the direction of the event occurred. Okay, or it is happening. So we went to London last week. Okay, let us take one more example. He went up the hill. So where he went the hill? Up. He went up the hill. Okay, getting my point? Where he went to the hill? Up the hill. He went up the hill. Okay, so I am telling the direction. Okay, it's a preposition. It is acting as a preposition, but it is also, on the other hand, it is telling that the event happened in this direction. Okay, so this was all about what? Preposition and their types. Also, there is one more important topic is remaining. Let us discuss that also. That is we call as prepositional phrases. Okay, now what is that? Let us understand. Now let us discuss one more term that is related with preposition is prepositional phrase. What do you understand by the term phrase? See, phrase means it's a group of words. Okay, so what does prepositional phrase indicate? It is a group of word, okay, containing what? Preposition. Prepositional phrase is what? It is a group of words containing what? Preposition. Okay, so this is nothing but the very simple examples we will take and we will understand it. Prepositional phrase क्या है? Phrase क्या कहते हैं हम? It's a group of words. ओके, तो prepositional phrase क्या बन गया? ऐसा group of words जिसमें क्या होगा? Preposition होगा. ओके, ठीक है, सिंपल है. Let's take an example over here. The rabbits hopped through the garden. Here, through is what? This is a preposition. And hole through the garden. it represents what? Prepositional phrase. Okay, here through is what? It's an preposition, and through the garden represents what? Prepositional phrase. The balloon drifted up the stairs. Here, what drifted up the stairs? What drifted the stairs? The balloon. How the balloon drifted the stairs? Up. Okay. So here up is what? It's a preposition, and up the stair, pole, is what? A prepositional phrase. Okay. It's quite easy. Next we will see the tiger crept slowly over the grass. Here over is what? It's a preposition, and over the grass, it's what? It's a prepositional phrase. Okay, so the preposition where you are having in the sentence, from there where a phrase is connected, a group of words where it is containing a preposition is nothing but what? It's a prepositional phrase. That was all about preposition. Soon we will have a look at the book exercise and the questions which have been asked in the exercise. Okay, good day students, take care.